7 Sigma Offgrid.
I didn't say me, I said the mountain. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got our first frost on the ground. And it's about 30 degrees, but it's beautiful. All right, guys, so the hubby and I made a bet in regards to when we filled up the hole in our water heater area, that was the last hole. There wouldn't be any more mice in the house. So we're back today, and guess what? We got 3 mice. So the mice saga continues. Yeah, what you got to say about the 3 mice that we caught?
Revenge of the mice. They came back to get me.
Yep, and guess what? You owe me what?
$5.
I need you to look at the camera.
I owe you $5.
Don't be mad. I am happy to say that our pavers are actually working. If you can see that. We have some condensation coming from our roof here because it has been cold. It has rained a little. And our pavers are working. Yay! Alright, guys. So we are about to prepare to move our ground mounts down there. And so the boys are about to start weed whacking so that they can clear out that space. And then we're going to move the ground mounts down there. And then we're probably, depending on how much we get done today, we'll probably start trying to level. So let's see what happens.
I can't see.
Why you look like you're like in snow-capped mountains?
It's cold.
You having issues?
Yeah.
You losing your mind?
I forgot which one is off and on.
You need to use it more often.
Yep. This is true.
Which trees will you have to cut down? Well, so much for my hammock. And then you're gonna cut down this one?
I don't want to, but...
Is it flatter here?
No, because it don't look as flat.
No. But it looks flatter than where we are, but...
Not as bad as that. I mean, this is doable, though. Over there is ridiculous. I don't think anything on this land is flat.
And the weed whacking is done. And I see that they have some flags marked off here to show where we are going to start putting the ground mounts for our solar array system. But at least the area is cleaned off here. And now it's time for the work. All right, so we are going to start moving our ground mounts down to our area down here, the north area. And the boys are getting ready to start all of this. We're moving. We're starting over. So yeah, I'm going to help them. So bye. There's gophers that build stuff under here? Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. And it got green under here too. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. We're just gonna put tarp all over the land. You wanna do that? And we can keep it green. All right, are they heavy?
These?
Yeah.
Not at all.
Okay.
We can do with nothing on, and we still.
You're not gonna lose any wood. You got it. Well, you lost 2.
Did I?
Yeah. Wait. Okay, I think you're good now. That was a workout?
That was hot. Alright, we ain't going off the cliff. I was gonna go off the cliff. You want to go right through that little hole? Go. This is some you should not do. Carry a solar panel. Hear the comments now. What are you doing? Where you want to go? I don't know. I can't see. Which is the best way to go? Don't go that way. That's death.
Look at him. Just dropping ground mounts.
It's like Hellraiser.
He does look like Hellraiser.
For you, baby.
I'm trapped.
Look at the shenanigans. Straight shenanigans. Why?
I wanted to bring as many as I could.
Why?
Nice. You know where the measuring tape is?
Probably in the house. You like, that's too far.
Do you need the measuring tape? Huh? Do you need the measuring tape? Where is it? Not in here. It's in the house.
Told you. Are you going to keep this tarp down here? Like the solars will actually be sitting on the tarp?
And then whatever's excess, I'll just cut it up.
So this is easier.
Maybe do one. Two in a couple of spots with some dirt.
Yeah, this is much better. I mean, it's a lot flatter than up there.
That other blue crap.
So you're just going to need like 1 or 2 blocks.
Yep. Maybe with some dirt. Hopefully not.
All right, off I go to find the little shovel. I feel like I'm helping out while they're back there working. So, well, first of all, look how junky and messy they are.
What happened to you getting the damn...
I'm looking for the little shovel. I don't know how little you want it. Is this little?
No, it's a little hand one that we use for the pavement.
Well, it's not in here. You being a good boy, Booba. You watching us work? You my handsome little boy. You my handsome boy. But she like, I didn't come here to work. I came here to look at the mountains. You having a hard time? Why, because it's stuck on there?
It's aluminum. There you go. Try it. See if you can get it. That's how it go. I'm just going to hit the metal. Try it. That's not it. Dang, we only got one on that one, huh? What? On that bar. Two solar panels per bar. What are you talking about, one? What is he looking at? Never mind. I'm tripping.
What's that?
I know that sound.
Oh, it is a hawk. It's a small one.
I know my hawk sounds. Muscle in it. Put them holes on it, right? Exactly. You're laughing there.
You?
Look like bumbling idiots.
No.
To do with that chick thing, I need to just hire somebody.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all should just hire somebody.
He said, watching you guys is painful.
Sorry to be so painful. And we can't hire anybody. We've already tried that. Someone once told me that if bees are attracted to you, that you're very high vibrational. And I'm just going to hold on to that because bees are just bothering me today.
High vibrational.
Yeah, high vibrational. Your vibration is high.
That means you've been smoking a lot of weed.
No, I don't smoke weed.
It could be because you smell like flour. How about that?
That's high vibrational. It got cold. So with it being down here, you don't have a lot of the same leveling issues that you had up there. It would just take a few blocks and some dirt. And more sun.
A lot more sun. The area's already shaded up.
Yep, it sure is. It is around 2 o'clock, and I want to show you where we originally had our ground mounts. It's already shaded, all of that area. And again, the sloping was pretty ridiculous for us to try to level it. And I'm gonna go down to the north side of the property where they are finishing up putting together the ground mounts. Tons of sun, flat land. I don't know why we didn't think about having it down there in the first place. I don't know what we were thinking about, but sometimes you figure it out later and you have to pivot. I think it's much better, even though we originally kind of wanted it hidden, but it's okay. You have to be flexible. You have to change your mind. Look at all that. Tons of sun, flatter, easier to level. So we're gonna go at this location. Wish us luck. I like how you just make up your own words. Weeble wobble, bow weeble, shimmy-de-beging, sponge-a-fighter.
7 Sigma language. It's the language of love.
As always, somebody is sleeping on the job. Hard to find good help. You need to get up. This is not union pay. Oh, now you got energy.
The old man beach. It's called hustling backwards.
He said hustling backwards? Okay, explain that definition of hustling backwards.
You doing something you already did, wasting energy. I screwed these screws in 2 weeks ago.
But?
Now I'm taking them out.
To re-screw them back in?
Yep.
That's hustling backwards.
Hustling backwards.
That's gonna be our motto, 7 Sigma, hustling backwards.
Boy, get up. Give me the tool. I can't do it on the tool.
These two.
We got 11 more bolts to go. Let's go. Chop, chop.
Yeah, our sunlight is going down.
Some more hustling backwards.
You need to go ahead and invest in knee pads and a tool belt.
I can't buy anything until Billy Blaze tells me to buy something. So Billy, tell me to buy some knee pads and a tool belt, and I'll buy it.
Or any other equipment that he may need to make his life easier.
Well, Billy's not your friend.
Billy's not my friend?
Mm-hmm.
Billy's my friend too.
No, he's not. Billy's causing you to go broke.
He's causing us to go broke.
All your fault, Billy. You're making us broke, man. Every time we put out a video, you say I need to get something. You're actually right. Val don't like you.
That's not true, Billy.
Presses your name in private.
Don't listen to him.
What the hell did Billy tell you about it?
Don't listen to him, Billy. You know he lies on me. Don't listen to him. You ain't gonna have Billy not liking me. Yeah, you always buying something. Oh, it's Billy's fault. Oh.
It's not working.
It's not? Why?
I don't know.
Are you trying to put it in there or?
Yeah.
Oh.
Comment down below if you know why it's not working. Don't say because we're...
Oh my gosh, I'm getting you off the camera. Oh yeah, it does look equal.
Spacing for the panel wires.
Spacing for the panel wires? Oh, wise. Oh, so the panels can sit in each. Mm-hmm. Gotcha. Yeah, it looks good. And we still have sun. Look at that. You not tired?
Left my other 2 blocks at home.
And what do you call that? Hustling?
Hustling backwards.
Hustling backwards.
Better than not hustling.
See, Bashi? That's why I like you. You got that positive attitude. Better than not hustling. How far are you sliding it over?
All right, leveling's gonna be much easier, and just gotta fix that back corner right there. Since we moved everything over to the left, now I should be able to get these without the slope. Looking good.
All right, guys. So we have our solar panels, ground mounts actually moved. We still have to do some leveling. We do have to move our back row over a little bit so that it's not in a hole. But the boys did really well today getting everything moved down. The next thing we have to do while my husband walks up is perfect timing. What's the next thing we have to do?
Hire somebody.
So what's the... Oh, gosh. What's the next thing we have to do?
Oh, level it properly.
But let me talk about hiring somebody. We're not hiring anyone because we already tried to hire someone. That was a catastrophe because we already have our equipment. Get back here. He just loves walking away from me. So we already had issues with trying to hire people. So this is why we're doing it ourselves. And actually, we're learning a lot about solar.
Self-sufficient. We don't need anybody.
That's right. Being self-sufficient and solar installation, but mainly being self-sufficient because that's the main thing that we want to do.
And hustling backwards.
And we are hustling backwards just a tad, but that's only right now just because we don't know what we're doing and we're figuring everything out on our own. So it's okay for us to hustle backwards. It's okay. It might bother some people, but for us, we're learning a lot, but we're also hustling forward. So anyway.
Always hustling forward.
We're always hustling forward.
Self-sufficient.
Self-sufficient. You got that right. So thank you guys for joining us. What are we doing next week?
Finishing this.
We're going to finish up as much as we can. So thank you for watching. Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.